Hello everyone, you are welcome to solve this very nice radical problem. Square root of x plus 1 minus cube root of 2x minus 6 is equal to 2. And we are interested to find x. Let's come to the solution. First of all, suppose that square root of x plus 1 is equal to m. So squaring on both sides we get x plus 1 is equal to m squared. Now move this positive 1 from left hand side to right hand side. We get x is equal to m squared minus 1. Using these values in this equation, x plus 1 square root, instead of x plus 1 square root we will write m. This is equal to m minus cube root of 2 into x. Here 2 into x, we will write the value of x, which is m squared minus 1, and minus 6 is equal to 2. Now m is equal m minus cube root of, here 2 multiplied by m squared gives us 2m squared, minus 2 1 is 2, minus 6 is equal to 2. This implies m minus cube root of 2m squared minus 2 and minus 6, we get minus 8 is equal to 2. Now we will move minus cube root of 2m squared minus 8 to the right hand side, and we will move 2 from right hand side to left hand side. Here m, when we move this, it will be negative 2 here, and when we move this into right hand side, it will be positive cube root of 2m squared minus 8. So now taking cube on both sides, here m minus 2 whole cube is equal to, this cube will cancel with this cube root, and here we will left with 2m squared minus 8. Now from an algebraic identity, a minus b whole cube, which is equal to a cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cube. So here a is m and b is 2. So we will write this as a cube, which is m cube, minus 3a squared, which is m squared, and b, which is 2, plus 3a, which is m, and b squared, which is 2. 2 squared gives us 4, minus b is 2, and 2 cube we get 8 is equal to 2m squared minus 8. Now m cube minus 3 multiplied by 2, we get 6 m squared, plus 4 multiplied by 3, 12m, minus 8 is equal to 2m squared minus 8. Now m cube minus 6m squared plus 12m minus 8, move this 2m squared from right hand side to left hand side, we get negative 2m squared, and move this, we get plus 8 is equal to 0. Now m cube minus 6m squared minus 2m squared, we get minus 8m squared plus 12m, and negative 8 and positive 8 cancel each other, is equal to 0. So now we have m cube minus 8m squared plus 12m is equal to 0. Now take m as common from left hand side, we get inside m squared minus 8m plus 12 is equal to 0. Now by using zero product rule, we get m is equal to 0, or m squared minus 8m plus 12 is equal to 0. Now m is equal to 0 and m squared minus 8m plus 12 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We can solve this by factorization or completing square method or by quadratic formula. So simply we can solve this by factorization. Here m squared minus 6m and minus 2m gives us minus 8m plus 12 is equal to 0. So now take m as common from first two terms and inside m minus 6, and when we take minus 2 as common and inside m, this minus we have taken it common, and inside minus multiplied by minus gives us plus 2 multiplied by 6, which is 12 is equal to 0. Now m minus 6 and m minus 6, this is a common factor, and the second factor is m minus 2 is equal to 0. Now by using zero product rule, we get m minus 6 is equal to 0 and m minus 2 is equal to 0. So from this we get m is equal to 6, and from this we get m is equal to 2. Now we have three values of m. First we have found that m is equal to 0 and m is equal to 6 and m is equal to 2. Now recall that we are interested to find x, and we have supposed that square root of x plus 1 is equal to m, or by taking squaring on both sides we get x plus 1 is equal to m squared. From this we get x is equal to m squared minus 1. This was our supposition that x is equal to m squared minus 1. So in the first case, when m is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 squared minus 1. 0 squared is equal to 0, and we get x is equal to minus 1. This is the first value of x. Now when m is equal to 6, we get x is equal to, here by using 6 in this equation, 6 squared minus 1. So we get x is equal to 6 squared 36 minus 1. So we get x is equal to 35. And when m is equal to 2, we get x is equal to, instead of m we will use this value 2 squared minus 1, and here x is equal to 2 squared gives us 4 minus 1. So from this x is equal to 4 minus 1 gives us 3. So we have found the values of x, which is -1, 35 and 3. Thank you for watching.